So very good morning. We are going to discuss homework answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold your hands and listen. I will be sending the same answer through WhatsApp. So now please don't try to write now if you didn't do. Okay.
Ma'am, today some more homework is
No, last day we conducted. I conducted a test. Before that, I have given two homework questions from the workbook. That answers we are going to discuss now. Okay.
I write, ma'am.
Dear children, 16th question, C and D were the homework questions. We are going to discuss the answers now. Please mute your audios, everybody. 16th question, C. A and B we already done. C. 12, 24. After that, 36. We have to write next 4 terms. Wait, let me see. Ameya, please unmute. Ameya. Okay. Have you done the homework?
Yes.
Yes. Dear, 12 plus, it's an increasing pattern. Why? It's increasing. 12, 24 is greater than 12 and 36 is greater than 24. It's an increasing pattern. So, by how much it is increasing? Or what we are adding with the 12 to get 24?
We are adding
You have to add
12 plus 24.
12 plus
24.
12 plus 12, you'll get 24.
24.
Isn't that?
Yes.
Yes. Then 24 plus 12, we will get 36.
36.
Then 36 plus 12, for getting to get next term, 36 plus 12, what we will get?
Mm.
36 plus 12.
36.
Have you done that, dear?
Yes.
What you got? 36 plus 12.
And which page?
It's page number 10. You don't want to check that. You add now. 36 plus 12.
Okay.
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2. 8.
8. Very good. 3 plus 1.
4.
4. So what we will get? 48.
8.
Then dear, 40, next one, for getting next term, you have to add again 12. 48 plus 12, what we will get? 8 plus 2?
8 plus 2. 10.
10. In that 0, we will write 1. We have to carry. Then 1 plus 4?
6.
1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1? 6.
6.
So we will get 60.
60.
Then 60 plus 12. What we will get?
2.
0 plus 2, 2. 6 plus 1?
7.
7. So 72. Next, 72. Wait. Ameya, thank you. Next, Joe Eric. Say answer. To get next term, Ameya can mute now. Okay. Joe Eric, till 72 we go. To get next term, we have to add again 72 plus 12. What we will get? Please unmute. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Unmuted.
Okay. Now, will you say 2 plus 2?
4.
4. 7 plus 1?
8.
8. So what we got?
84.
84. So these are the answers, dear children. We have to add 12 with each term. Okay, to get the next term. You will get 48, 60, 72, 84. I will be sending the answer through WhatsApp. That time you can check your workbook. Okay. Next question was 13, 26, 39. After that, next 4 terms you have to complete. Shringa vs. Shringa. Shringa, please unmute. Unmute now. Touch on the audio symbol. Okay, okay. Shringa, 13 plus what? We will get 26. For getting that, we have to subtract 26 minus 13. Okay. Then only we will get 13 plus what? We will get 26. 26 minus 13. We can subtract. 6 minus 3, what we will get here? 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers. Close 3 fingers. What you will get? Shringa? 3. Louder, please. 3. 2 minus 1. 1. Louder, please. 1. Louder, please. 1. 1. 2 minus 1. 1. So 13 plus 13 we will get 26. 13 plus 13 we will get 26. 26 plus 13 we will get 39. 39 plus 13 if we are adding we will get the next term. Can we add? Can we add here? Are you?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
9 plus 3. What you will get? 9 plus 3. 9 in mind. 3 in fingers. 9 plus 3. Sorry?
12.
12. In that 12, we only will write 2 over here and 1 we should carry. 3 plus 1?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
4. Ma'am, can you tell the one full of the numbers? 5.
Wait. We can do. Okay.
Ma'am, 52.
Wait.
Ma'am, 52.
2 and here we will get 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 52. For to get next term, 52 plus 13 again. What we will get, dear children? What we will get? Asher. Here. Asher. Unmute. 52 plus 13, what you will get? Shringa, thank you. Okay, let me ask to Asher. Asher, 52 plus 13. 2 plus 3, what you will get, dear? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Let Asher say answer. Asher, unmute now. Once again, you unmute. Asher. Wait, dear. Asher, please unmute. Once again, you unmute. Okay. Dear, 2 plus 3, what you will get? 2 plus 3. 2 in mind. 3 in fingers. Take 3 fingers. Asher, can you hear me, dear? After 2, 3, 4. How much you got? How much you got, dear? Take two in mind. Take 3 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Asher, can you hear me? Say yes or no. Can you hear me, dear? Yes or no? Asher, can you hear me? Yes or no? Please say louder. Wait. Dear, can you hear me, Asher? Asher, can you hear me? His voice is not clear to me, dear. Asher, I'll come to you later. Prarthana. Prarthana.
Yes, ma'am.
2 plus 3?
2 plus 3,
5.
5.
5 plus 1?
6.
6. So next term is
65.
5. Pranav, next term? Again we have to add 13. So what you will get?
6 plus
5 plus 3?
8.
8. 6 plus 1?
7.
7. So 78.
8.
Then next term. 78 plus 13. What we will get? 8 plus 3?
8 plus 3.
Sorry?
91.
Yes, 91. We will got 8 plus 3, 11. 1 we have to write here, 1 carry, then 91. Okay. These are the answers for the question D. You have to add 13 with each term. Then, dear children, next we are going to discuss a pattern almost similar. Number and letters. Last year we have learned. Still we can revise that. Okay? The number and letters. This also no need to copy to your notebook. First we can discuss a simple one. 1A, 2B, 3C. What will come next? Sweden. Sweden, Paul, please unmute.
Ma'am.
1A, 2B, 3C. What will come next, dear? First we can consider the numbers.
4D.
Sorry?
4D.
Very good. 4D, then next term what will come? Here 1, 2, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4.
5E.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4.
5E.
Next 5. A, B, C, D, E. If I want to write one more term. If I want to write one more term.
6F.
Yes, very good. Very good, Sweden. Okay. Then, next I will write other one. 10A, then 20C, 40E. What will come next? I won't answer from Pranav and Prarthana. Good chance, no? Yes, you answered. Very good, children. I will give to somebody else. Aiden. Your name is Aiden itself, no? Wait. Where his... I can't see his face, dear. Please unmute, dear. Arjun Vinayak. Sorry, not Aiden. Arjun Vinayak. Please unmute. Dear, 10A, 20C, 40E. What will come next? First, we can consider numbers. Okay. First, we can consider the numbers. Here 10, 20. It's 30, dear, not 40. Okay. 30. 30. What will come next, dear?
40.
Yes, 40. Then, what will be the letter?
40.
Ah,
G.
G. 40. G. Because here, after A, B is not there C. After C, D is not there E. After E, F is not there G. Yes, good. Next,
Five.
Aditri. What will come next? Sorry?
50.
50. 50. Here, after A, B is not the C. After C, D is not the E. After E, F is not the G. And after G, what won't be there?
I.
Is not there? I. Hail. Unmute. What will come next? What will come next?
60K.
Yes, very good. 60K. So, very easy patterns, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So, dear children, this is also a type of pattern. Now, we are going to discuss another pattern. Anna Rose. She belongs to 3F, I think. Anna Rose. Why are you here, dear? Unmute.
My brother's class is the 11.
Yeah. So sitting. Her brother's class is there. That's why she's sitting. Dear, you can leave the class and you can sit for the next class. Okay? Okay, dear. So, dear children, we are going to discuss another type of pattern. Very simple. Again, very simple pattern. Growing patterns. That patterns can be seen in shapes. The number of shapes will be increasing. Very easy to complete. Okay? We can complete some patterns like that. Now, I draw one circle, two circle, three circle. Shringa Srijit, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
If I want to draw next step, how many circles I want to draw?
4 circles.
Yes, very easy. 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catherine, if I want to draw next step, the next step, how many circles I want to draw for the next step? Sorry? 5. Yes. Like that, it will continue. Very good, Catherine. Good, Shringa. So, like that, it will continue. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5 circle. Like that, it will continue. Now, I am going to draw 2 stars, 4 stars, then 6 stars. Advaita, please unmute. What will come next? How many stars I want to draw for the next step, dear?
8.
2 stars, 4 stars, 6 stars.
8 stars.
Ah, yes. 8 stars. 2, 4, 6, then 8. Then Srirupda, if I want to draw one more step, how many stars I want to draw?
10.
10. Hazel, if I want to continue again, how many stars I want to draw? Unmute.
12.
12. Dear children, here also we can see the number of what the stars are increasing. So these patterns we can call growing patterns. So now we discussed patterns with the numbers and letters and patterns of shapes, growing patterns. And one more pattern I have to discuss. Dear children, the starting of the chapter, we have discussed about tiling patterns. Do you remember? Tiling patterns. That time we told the floor we can see beautiful tiles. That also a pattern, isn't it? Isn't it, dear children?
Yes.
Yes. So when this tiling, what is the tiling? What is mean by tiling?
Ma'am, floor.
On the floor. On the floor, what we are doing? On the floor, what we are doing? Huh?
We will walk on the walking. We will walk.
On the floor, we will work by using tiles. What we will, what the workers will do?
Ma'am,
Ah,
they will build tiles in the house.
Floor. Adidev.
House also.
Yes, ma'am.
When we shifted to LKGB,
And they will
it is written Aryadev MB LKGB. Okay. Please rename next time. Today it's okay. I know your name. I know your name. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, dear. It's okay. Adidev, what do you want to say about tiling?
Ma'am.
Ah. Ah.
Ma'am,
Ah.
they will put the tile in the house and give the shape and
They will.
Ma'am,
Yes.
They will join the tiles.
join the tiles. It will join then.
Okay. Yes, they will join them. Okay. Hanna. Hanna is there. Hanna.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hadi, please turn on your video. Hadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Sorry. Dear children, others, if you don't want to say anything, I am going to mute you. That is better. Otherwise, Anne Maria, sit there properly. Are you walking over there?
No.
Yes. Dear children, Hanna, I call Hanna. Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, you call me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you call me.
Who is asking like, who you, no dear, now, just now I call Hanna. Okay. Dear,
Yes, ma'am.
have you seen tiling anywhere?
Yes.
Yes.
The floor style.
Floor, then
Our walls, ma'am.
walls, okay.
Book.
Sorry?
Pencil box.
Pencil box tiling is there?
No.
Okay,
Chair,
wall,
chair.
floor, it's okay.
Chair. Chairs. Table.
On table you saw tiling. Patterns will be there. Tiling is there. I have maybe some dining tables are there like that. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Hanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear children, tiling, when tiling is there, tiling means covering a surface. Using tiles, we are covering a surface with the flat shapes like tiles. Flat shapes like tiles means other. Can you hear me, other?
Fire and tools.
Other? I think he has some network issue. It's audio, video also not on. Who will give some examples for Vedika? Give me some examples for flat shapes. Flat shapes.
Ma'am.
Flat shapes means what?
2D
shapes.
means
2D shapes. Okay. Flat shapes means 2D shapes.
2D shapes.
Will you give some examples? 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes.
Example shapes.
Examples of 2D shapes, Vedika. Fast. Any idea?
Doors.
No. Let Vaishnav say answer. Vaishnav, please unmute. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me some examples of flat shapes or 2D shapes.
Rectangle.
Oh, yes. Rectangle, triangle, circle, square, then pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, like that. All these shapes are plane shapes. So we are covering, in tiling, we are covering a surface with a flat shapes like tiles. Using flat shapes like tiles without any gap or overlap. If gap is there on your floor, if gap is there, what will happen? Sribhadra, what will happen if gap is there? On your floor, if gap is there between the tiles, what will happen? Aditya, I'll come to you, okay?
Okay.
Sorry? What will happen, Sribhadra? If gap is there between the tiles on your floor, nothing will happen? Can you walk smoothly?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Aditya, what will happen if any gap is there on the floor between the tiles? Sorry?
We will flow.
We will fall. When we are walking, we will fall down. And overlap is there, means on one tile, another tile, like that. If any overlap is there, what will happen here? UN, what will happen? If any overlap is there?
Height will come.
Sorry?
Height.
Height difference will be there. Then what will happen? When you are walking, some overlaps are there on the floor. More than one tile is there. Sorry?
We will fall down.
That time also you will fall down. So in a tiling, there will be no gap or overlap. Okay. So tiling is covering a surface with a flat shapes like tiles without any gap or overlap. Okay. I think today our time is up, dear children. I'll show you a few examples of tiling, beautiful tiling, colorful tilings next class. Okay. Thank you, my dear children. Have you understood today's topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very easy. Very easy topics today we discuss, isn't that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We'll meet you.
Bye.
Sorry?
Bye.
Yes, today I'll send few notes. You have to copy down. And
Okay,
few homework question will be there.
Thank you, ma'am.
That you have to do.
Thank you, ma'am.
And next,
Thank you, ma'am.
and I will be sending tiling note also. You have to read 2-3 times that notes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meet you next day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.